Hey everybody, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be discussing about how to install LangChain in Jupyter Notebook. So this is going to be pretty easy. Now let's just begin. So as you can see here, we got a couple of commands that we are going to be using to install Jupyter Notebook. So on the top you can see we have the heading using Jupyter Notebook to install LangChain. So that is going to be the topic for today, which is going to be done using the set of commands that you're going to be implementing today. You can see this command above is used to install Python packages. So the important thing here is going to be that you're going to be using Python with along LangChain to be working properly. So first you're going to be installing your Python. You can download the latest version, and then you're going to be installing your OpenAI model. You can see LangChain, and that, my friend, is going to be enabling you to use it on Jupyter Notebook. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. I will be assisting you guys more on that below. And yeah, so that was it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends.